Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video. It's been a while since I cut a video, but today is the day I do one. And today's topic is about blogging. And I realized that it's, I got a newborn at home. So it's kind of hard for me to write out long blog posts at home. Because I can't, not physically, I can't go on my computer and log to my blog and blog a blog post. So I'm looking for a way to do it on my phone, and I didn't know that WordPress had a app you could download to your phone from the App Store, and you can blog through the app. I did not know that. This makes life so much easier because I don't have to wait to go home, wait till I have some free time to blog. Now I can blog on my cell phone, and through the app, which is free to download. Through the app, you can change the theme. You can do a blog post. You can view your stats on your website, on your blog, how many visitors you got. You can change the theme. You can add pages to it. You can do a lot of stuff to it. You can't do everything you do on a desktop. It'll be hard to add links to your blog post because, you got to close that down, copy it. There's a lot on a cell phone. What I would do is if I'm going out of town, and sometimes I go out of town, you're driving a long distance, I don't have internet in my car, so I could do a blog post on my phone. So we're going to Delaware for the holidays. That's like a 5-hour drive, If she decided to drive, I could do a blog post on my phone. I could do a blog post on my phone and just save as a draft. Do a draft until I open my laptop up. And then I can actually, do the keywords. I gotta do the links to it. So it saves time. So instead of me being home for 2 hours on a blog post, I'm at home 20, 30 minutes editing the blog post. So and I'm doing more blogging videos as well. So if you're interested in blogging and you feel that you don't have time to go home and cut a blog post, do it on your phone. And another thing about the app, I work at a computer all day. I get an hour lunch break, so I have time to sit on my phone and write a blog post. But I used to work in the warehouse for 9 years, so I know that I worked in the freezer and I worked on the dry side pulling water. So I know how hard it is. You don't get a 30-minute lunch and 2 15-minute breaks, so you don't have a lot of time to do a blog post. And by the time you go home, you're tired. You don't feel like doing a blog post because your body is exhausted and your mind is depleted. So it's a good tip for people who don't have the access to an internet while they're at work. Hell, you can just do a blog post on your cell phone, on your lunch break, or before you go to work. Think of a blog title you want to write about, and you go blog on your blog through your cell phone. Now, it doesn't matter if you do 1 paragraph or 2 paragraphs. Do something, do something so when you get home, there's less work you have to do, less time you waste as well. So that's my video for the day. Just put in WordPress, and it'll pull up WordPress blog, and you just download it free, and then you put your username and password in. It has all your blogs that you have. You select one, and you can add a blog post to it. You can view all your blogs. You can edit your blogs. You can schedule your blogs. A lot of stuff. So that it just imagine driving long distance, or you're in traffic, or if you go to a store or go to a theme park and you see something that you can write about, but by the time you get home, you're tired, and you don't feel like doing it, or you forgot what the great idea was. You could do it right there on the spot. You could pull the app out. You could just give it a title, write 2 sentences, and save it as a draft. So when you get home, you can finish it, or when you're driving back, you can finish it. So download the WordPress app. With technology changing, it's making it easier to blog. It's easier to make YouTube videos. I make a YouTube video on my cell phone. Running a blog is really cheap. I'm starting to really dig into my blog. And that's what I'm doing now. So, like I said, I wrote a blog post today on my cell phone, on my break. I save as a draft. When I get home, put my links in there, do my keywords. That takes literally 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm done. I did my work. I did my work while I'm at home. The key to this video is to save time. Because people, we work, come home, got kids, got a wife, you gotta clean the house, you gotta cut the grass, you gotta fix this, fix that, go shopping. There's a lot of stuff you gotta do. You don't got free time. And then when you do have free time, if you got a spouse or a wife or a husband, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, you spend them with them. And that's how blogs get lost all the time. So hopefully this video is an eye-opener. You can blog on your phone. You can download the app and do a raw blog post on your phone. And when you get home, you can do the rest. Take it 10 to 30 minutes and you're done. Okay, so I got a newborn at home. And when I get home, I spend time with him. You know, he's up. You know, I spend time with him. If he's asleep, I got to be kind of quiet. And then if he's asleep, I spend time with my wife. So I get home about 5. I go to bed at 11. I got 6 hours. I spend 3 or 4 hours with him, a couple hours with her. I have no time really to myself. I got to take trash out, do whatever. Weekends, I'm off Saturday and Sunday. I have 48 hours. 2 days, that's not enough time to do 3 or 4 blog posts. Yeah, you got to get up early. So this is how you run a business online. This is how it's supposed to be done. You do it on your cell phone. You make YouTube videos on your cell phone. Your cell phone, get off Facebook, get off Instagram, and write blog posts. I can really crank out some blog posts now, faster now, knowing that I have the app, I can do it. Get off Facebook, get off Instagram, get off Twitter, get off YouTube, and just start creating blog posts. Create a blog post, you know, whenever. And then you have text to speech on your phone, so you can pretty much have your phone hanging from the dash or your console. And then when you're driving to work, I'm not suggesting you text and drive. That's not a good idea. Don't text and drive. But you have the text to speech app on your phone. You can say your blog post and it will record it and it will blog for you. So that's another one I'm thinking about doing as well, because I could do a blog post going to work, do a blog post at work, and do a blog post driving to work. You know what I'm saying? With the text to speech. Because I could probably talk, you know, faster than I could write, you know. So that might be a good idea too. You don't have to text it. You can just say it and record your voice and it'll put it in text. And you got a blog post. So there's so many ways to make money, so many ways to blog. So this is my video. Thank you for watching. Visit my blog, thexking.com, and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up or thumbs down for the video, and see you next time.